First referee, Mr. Philip Sison, international referee. Second referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag, international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from Our Lady Tamaraos of FEU Compass. At jersey number 1, Iris Ortega Patrona. Jersey number 2, Angeline Tabacero. Wearing jersey number 1, Ivy Remulia. At number 8, Mary Remijoy Palma. Team captain with jersey number 12, Giselle C. And at number 15, Gwyneth Eulalio. Libero, number 3, Charlene Giliego. Head coach, Mr. Nestor Pamilar. Sitting in for Nestor Pamilar is Shaq De Los Santos. Calling on the Lady Eagles of the Ateneo de Manila University. Wearing jersey number 3, Jamanea Ferrer. At number 4, Fiel St. Merced Cainglet. Wearing jersey number 8, Angeline Marie Herbacio. At number 9, Eliza Valdez. Wearing jersey number 12, Mary May Tajima. And team captain with jersey number 13, Gretchen Hall. Libero, number 6, Denise Michelle Lazaro. Head coach, Mr. Parley Tupad. Good luck to both teams.
So those are the starting lineups of both teams. And we are here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium in Manila, and this is the Shakey's V-League Ateneo going up against FEU. What do they have to expect for today's match?
Parang ano to, di ba? Pre-UAAP and collegiate season, parang ganyan. Pero again, FEU, no, having some guest players. So it will really be a challenge to Jem Ferrer, how she will deal with the guest players of FEU. At paano niya rin i-distribute, di ba, yung sets niya. She has seasoned veteran players also in her court, di ba, na performing really well. Even their libero, as you saw, Denden Lazaro.
Oh yeah, Denden Lazaro, one of the better liberos. And actually, the new addition to this first 6 is Tajima, but everyone else are carryovers from their core.
That's right. And Tajima standing at 6 feet. Pwede naman talaga i-start at the middle.
Well, FEU will start this match. Cainglet
going down the line, gets the first point of the ball game.
I think these two squads are pretty even.
Maganda yung matchup.
Ferrer, good serve.
Wag lang din pumutok ng todo-todo yung veterans ng FEU.
And speaking of the veteran, Patrona.
Right away, getting the kill.
Well, one apiece. This is Eulalio. Cainglet, Ferrer, Herbacio.
And those dug up well by Tabacero. Once again, Iris Patrona. Ang bigat ng datingin.
Ever since naman.
Diba? Ganyan yung your typical Iris Patrona.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Is married to Vic Patrona.
Yes.
Being a Philippine team member also for volleyball men's squad.
Air there for FEU. You know, what's nice about Iris is she played in, I think, last conference or maybe 2 conferences ago. Medyo her game wasn't there, but now, it's getting...
Iba yung may prep time eh.
Oo.
Nabibigla ka when they call you to be their best players. Pero, their guest player. Pero, ito mukhang prepared this time. Si Iris.
Nandun na yung leap niya eh. She's always known for her vertical leap. And again, speaking of Iris.
And yung heavy pounding, diba?
Oo. na. Taas na ng talon niya. Good serve. Ferrer to Valdez.
Ay pagka-Olympics yung last play na yun. Nandun sa left side tumitira yung back row hitter.
Oo.
Dumidi-cash lang, ha?
Well, Alyssa has lost so much weight. But she was always thin, but I think she's thinner also now.
Much to our dismay.
Yeah. Well, Hoy using her smarts there, just brushing it off the blocker's hand. And yeah, we are neck and neck. 3 serving for Ateneo. Kainglet, good serve.
Oh, but for first ball, Ivy not able to handle that well. Mas payat to.
Oo nga eh, magsisipayatan sila.
Mukhang si Ivy rin eh, di ba? Prepped
Yeah.
well for this conference.
Tabaquero. Hervasio to Valdez.
Oh, way up in the air. So in spite of the tall Palma and Ivy on the block, still getting that point.
You know, when you look at Valdez go up for it, talagang which
May wind up eh,
talagang-
no?
Tapos nag-curl yung body niya. Such
Parang, ang kapareho niya pumalo si Ange Tabajero during her days. Yung nagsisi talaga yung
Yeah.
body after.
Yeah.
Nakita mo na yung power sa buong katawan kinukuha.
That's right. That's really a very nice sight to see. And I'd like to thank Axel, the official outfit of the Shakey's B-League.
Oh, great save there by Giselle C. Liza Valdez not making that attack.
Medyo she mistimed her jump.
Ayaw niya kasi hindi niya masyadong malayo sa net. Eh. She wants it closer
True.
because of her high leaping ability. And si Ange Tabajero, nagsusumbong siya na net yung kabila pero sila yung natawagan ng net. So, point goes to Ateneo.
That's right. He's Hervasio again serving for Ateneo. The famous jump serve. Tabaquero playing it smart.
These are the things that the younger FEU players will learn. Having Ange Tabajero, Iris Patrona, and Ivy Remulla with them.
That's right.
Yung mga court smarts na ganyan, off-speed lang.
That's right. Then learn how to play, patient volleyball.
Yes.
And smart
volleyball. As Jen Perez, smartly doing what she does best.
That's right. Ateneo up 8-6. We'll be back.